Today we hear from challenge participant Mike. This is what he has to say. Joining the 100-day challenge has encouraged me to look around my surroundings when we go for our walks. I've always taken a flashlight at night to count how many animals we can see. There have been nights with no animals, just beautiful sky, and there are nights when I've counted 32 deer, 5 rabbits, and 2 fox. Looking at the beauty of nature is incredibly helpful when dealing with stress. Today was especially calming. I was looking down the waterway from the little bridge and I heard a noise. When I looked up, there was a beautiful doe just standing there, looking at Emma and I.